It's not hard. Don't put it inside Pekus because it's going to look like Akamu inside Pekus. The way things are hard, naturally prick is supposed to be hard on its own. But if you want that prick to be solid, you want that prick to be strong, make sure you take what can make your Gbola strong, kakaraka, like concrete. And to make you last long, so you can pound the Pekus and grind in the Pekus and make the Pekus feel the vibration of your presence. You women in the class, tell your men I said there's a secret to make Gbola strong, kakaraka, to make Gbola perform well, to last long, and to prevent premature ejaculation, to make sure you don't reach point of no return too fast. Let me tell you the secret. Max Power Erection Booster Tea is what you need to make that Gbola solid. It's what you need to make that Gbola strong. It's what you need to last long like Methuselah on top Pekus and make that woman feel the vibration of the sensation to guarantee satisfaction during insertion inside the Pekus during the act of totalization. Trust Care Haba decided to give you Max Power Erection Tea. That booster can boost your Gbola. You need it. NAFDAC approved. That is why you need to send them DM right now. Trust Care Haba solution. That's what you need.